Magandang araw mga kapikot. Ngayong araw, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-register ng SIM. Kung smart user ka, kung Globe user ka, or D2 user. So unahin natin yung smart user. Kasi smart user din naman ako eh. Pero yung tatlo, mayroon ako. So start tayo sa smart user. Una, punta tayo sa Google. I-search natin yung smart.com.ph/simreg. Enter. Ayan. Register your SIM now. Register your SIM in 3 easy steps. Step 1, get your PIN. Have your phone ready. You receive an OTP. Step 2, input your information. Complete your profile. And step 3 is wait for SMS confirmation. Don't forget to save your control number. So, start your registration here. Ilagay mo yung number dito. Yung ginagamit mo, I have read this, understood. Send OTP. Ayan, may OTP na. Yung OTP natin is ito. Tapos verify OTP. Successful. Your mobile number was successfully verified. Okay. And then type of registration. Select the type of registration. Click I've registered a new broad SIM. Registered my old SIM. Registered newly bought SIM for a minor and old SIM for a minor. So, my old SIM lang. Tapos yung sa mga minor, ipapakita ko mamaya customer information, Philippines, ID card. Please select. Ito po ang gamitin natin. Passport, Social Security Service ID, driver license, professional regulation, communication ID, voter's ID, unified multi-purpose identification card, DIN, PhilHealth ID, postal ID, Bureau of Internal Revenue, firearms license to own and possess ID, government service insurance system e-card, integrated bar of the Philippines ID, National Bureau of Investigation clearance, other valid ID or documents with photo, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration ID, person with disabilities card, Philippine identification, police clearance, and senior citizens card. Yun yung mga kailangan na pwede dito kung mag-registered ka ng SIM. So sa akin, UMID yung gagamitin ko. Tapos take a photo. ID card verification, take the photo. Allow. Submit, retry kasi time out. Kailangan madaliin. Tsaka dapat cleared copy. Submit. Then get ready to scan your face. Face scan. Sorry, you cannot capture you. Dapat hindi malikot. Picture again. Submit. Then face scan. Scan face. Dapat hindi malikot. Ayan. Okay, we have successfully captured your ID information. Please click OK to proceed to the next step. And then, automatic na siyang maglagay ng pangalan, apelyido, and last name, birth date, and sex. Automatic na siya pag nag-take photo ka. So, next. Okay, address information, presence or official home address. Ito yung mga kailangan. Alternate contact information. Yan. Yun sa last. So, ikaw na maglagay ng mga information mo doon sa taas. Tapos, next. Ito, summary. I-check mo muna bago ka mag-proceed kung tama ba ito. Screenshot para sigurado. Tapos, check, I hereby attest that I personally accomplished the registration and information. Next. And yun lang. We have successfully received your safe registration form. Your control number para sigurado, screenshot natin. Kailangan itago mo yung control number dahil kailangan natin yan kung sakali. Ngayon naman ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-register ng minor. I-try natin. Sa mga minor pa dyan, below 18 years old, i-try natin mag-register. So, smart pa rin ang gagamitin natin. Kaya tara. Ganun pa rin ang gagamitin natin. Google. Search smart.com.ph/simreg. Ganun pa rin. Registered SIM in 3 easy steps. Tapos, start your registration here. Yung mobile number mo. Sa mga minor lang to ha. Check, I have read this understood. Send OTP. Okay. Receive na yung OTP natin. Ito yung OTP. Verify OTP. Successful. Okay. Type of registration. Okay. As old SIM for minor. Tapos, nationality. Ganun pa rin yung mga requirements. Yung sa ID. So, voter's ID yung ginagamit ko sa papa niya. Okay, submit. Then scan face. Hindi pareha. Okay. Okay, ulitin natin. Scan, ID, picture, submit. Scan face. So, ayaw pa rin. Okay. So, kailangan i-ano na lang natin. Ilagay na lang natin yung pangalan, yung ID card number ng papa niya. Tapos first name, middle name, last name, birthday. Tapos next, you need to be at least 18 years old to register your SIM. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mag-18 ka pa bago ka makaregister ng SIM. So, hindi ka pwede mag-register kung below 18 years old ka. Pero kung 18 years old ka na, tapos wala ka pang ID siguro, pwede hiramin mo na lang yung sa mga magulang mo na ID, di ba? Parang ganun lang. Sinerch ko sa ibang YouTube channel, yung ginawa nila is number ng anak niya, pero yung ID at saka pangalan is sa kanya rin. Kunyari, bale ibang number, pero same pa rin yung pangalan. Kunyari ako, nagpa-register ako sa number ko, at tapos yung anak ko gusto kong i-register, hindi pwede. Kaya ang nangyayari dito is yung number ng anak ko ni-registered ko with my information and name. So bali dalawa yung SIM card ko. Parang ganun lang yun. Kaya kung nakatulong ako at may natutunan ka, huwag nang magdalawang isip na mag-subscribe. So, yun lang. Salamat!